Assalamualaikum student, welcome to class 5th. Today my topic is word climate. We discuss what is different between weather and climate. Weather is the day-to-day condition of heat and the cold, humidity, coldness, dryness or rain in any place. Climate is the weather condition in an area or a long period of times. A place close to the North Pole or South Pole is very cold throughout the years, and place close to the equator is usually very hot throughout the years. Now we discuss how climate affects our climate. Climate has a great effect on people and the way they live. Climate also has a great effect on the clothes we wear, the food we eat, and the way we spend our leisure time. In a warm climate, people can take part in outdoor and water sports. In cold climates, people take part in outdoor sports but mostly prefer to stay indoor and enjoy indoor games. There, some of the crops will grow in a cold climates while some other grow well in a warm climates. For example, wheat grow well in a milder climates and rice grow well in warm, wet tropical climates. Now we discuss temperatures. There are the line of latitude that divides the world into different climatic regions. Number 1, the Arctic regions, the Tropic of Cancer. Number 3, Antarctic Circle. Number 4, Tropic Capricorn. There are some of the factors that influence the climate. Number 1, temperature, the amount of rainfall, the direction, the frequency of winds, and the presence of hills and mountains. Now we discuss climate change. Climate change is a change in the climatic pattern of a region or on a global scale. From the mid to late 20th century onwards, the increased level of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere have caused a rise in the temperatures on Earth. The impact of climate change is beginning evidence around the world. The use of fossil fuels has been the main contributor to climate change. Agriculture and deforestation and the manufacture of cements, chemicals and metals are also contributing to the increase in greenhouse gases. What are the greenhouse gases? Greenhouse gases exist in the Earth's atmosphere and allow sunlight to pass through it and reach the Earth's surface, thereby regulating the Earth's temperature. Greenhouse gases effect. The greenhouse gases in the Earth's atmosphere trap heat to keep our Earth warm. This trapping of heat inside the atmosphere is called the greenhouse effect. Now we discuss effect of greenhouse gases on climate. Changing the amount of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere can lead to a warming or cooling of the climate system. An increase in the amount of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere increases the greenhouse effect, which is the creating global warming and bringing about the climate change. Burning of fossil fuels. The burning of fossil fuels such as petroleum, coal and natural gas produce carbon dioxide. Everybody know almost all type of transport run on petrol, coal and use as an energy resource in power plants. Similarly, factories and mills that run on fossil fuels that release carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases. As the result that the amount of carbon dioxide in the air is increasing. Deforestation. Another reason for the increase of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere is that the number of forests on the earth is decreasing. More and more trees are being cutting down to make space for the agriculture, houses and factories. Trees act as the lung of the earth. They take in carbon dioxide and release oxygen in the airs. This is why the air gets purified. Since there are not as many trees to do this for us, carbon dioxide is getting added to the atmosphere and not being replaced with oxygen. More trees can be planted to keep the environment clean. Thanks.